observe the first moment when the water is subjected on the windscreen. That moment is called temporary blindness, and that temporary blindness to the driver can cause a major or a minor accident which involves human life. That is why this project is introduced to eliminate the temporary blindness. Okay, so this is the temporary blindness when you first subject your water to the windscreen. So we have lifted the wiper because we do not want the wiper to clean the windscreen now, so we want to see the significant effect, okay, on the windscreen when it is subjected to the washer mechanism. So this is what you call temporary blindness. Look at that. Okay, and this temporary blindness is even great when you see the sunlight against you. Right?
Greetings. My name is Sharveswaran. This is the prototype which is fabricated from a final year project titled Development of Smart Wiper Washing System for an Automotive Car Windscreen Cleaning Application. What you are looking at today is the prototype, and this prototype consists of several important parts such as a 12-volt DC motor connected with a gear and a gear belt. And this is the brakeless wiper rod connected with the motor and a hose which flows the air and water in it. And these are the main switches. This is for the water application, the air application, the up movement, the down movement, and the valve that connects the water and air application. You can see below down there, these are the air compressor that used in this prototype for the air application. And this is the power supply. Supplies power for the whole mechanism and runs the mechanism. And finally, it's the water tank. This water tank is incorporated with a water pump.